So one of the things we're going to be talking about and looking at on the Training Design Festival, in fact, we're opening up with it because I know how important it is to everybody, is we're going to be looking at artificial intelligence and how it can assist trainers, facilitators, and training designers. And Steve is our expert. So Steve, can you give us a very brief overview of what we can look forward to in your session?
Absolutely, no problem at all. My speciality is helping people get their days back using artificial intelligence. So what we're going to be looking at is how you can use ChatGPT and other tools in order to reduce the amount of time that it takes you to do all of those tasks that you think to yourself, oh no, I've got to do that. So that's really the benefits of what I teach and how I teach it. Is I will take you through a live demo, and Sheridan, we're going to use you as an example. So we're gonna literally write a course there and then, and we're going to write the social media for it, and we're going to have something that is ready to go. And it will not just a video course, we're going to show you how to get the structure of a live one-to-one course as well, and we're going to do all of that within my session.
I can't believe that. It sounds like absolute witchcraft.
A little bit. I mean, but I can guarantee that no chickens will be harmed in the making of our course.
That's fantastic, because one of the biggest challenges that all training facilitators and designers have is time. It's not that we don't know our stuff. It's not that we don't know how to bring it to life. It's the time it can take. And sometimes we do have that little bit of a writer's block as well. So I'm guessing AI can help overcome some of those challenges too.
Absolutely. Writer's block is something that's gone out the window, because all you have to do is put in the previous bit that you wrote, and you put that into the AI, and it'll tell you what to write next. So
wow.
it can literally unlock your brain.
Oh, grief. I can't wait. I can't wait for the session on the 30th. I'm really looking forward to it. Thanks, Steve.
No problem. Thank you.